Captioning and subtitling your videos opens it up to a much larger audience, increasing both your reach and engagement. When your video is easy to understand, it's also easy to share. In the second video, I'll be taking you through exactly how you can reach that wider audience. Hi, I'm Jessica Kellgren Fozard and I'm a deaf YouTuber. On my channel, I make fun and chatty and educational videos all about deaf awareness, disabilities, gayness, travel, fashion, it's a whole load of things. I also have cute dogs who like to steal the show. I went deaf in my teens, so I know just how important captions are. But it isn't only deaf and hard of hearing people who benefit from captions. As I explained in the previous video, a huge amount of the YouTube audience uses captions, from those in noisy environments, sound-sensitive environments, people who've got processing disorders, people who are learning English as a second language, and of course, it's useful to you as a creator. YouTube's own automatic captioning has increased dramatically since it was first rolled out. They're currently also available in English language live streams for channels that have over 10,000 subscribers. The technology has now come so far that it is apparently just short of the human transcription error rate. If automatic captions are available in your video, you can review and edit them at any time to make them more accurate. Just go to your video manager and click on Edit, Subtitles, CC, next to the video that you want to edit, and then click on the Automatic Captions track. Every time you submit a correction or suggestion to the track that YouTube has created for you, you're actually helping the machine to learn. If you find it faster though making captions all by yourself, or you know that you use a lot of technical words that the machine's going to have a great trouble picking up on, there are other options. Here are the 3 ways you can create your own captions tracks. Start from your video manager. In the drop-down menu next to the video you'd like to add a captions track to, click Subtitles CC. Select your language, and you will have one of 3 options. The first is Upload a File. This is for when you've already created a closed captions file off-site. There are a variety of websites where you can do this, and there are some companies that you can pay and they'll caption a video for you. This type of file will contain both the text and the time codes for exactly when each line of text should be displayed. Some files also include position and style information, which is particularly important for deaf or hard of hearing viewers. The next is Transcribe and Autosync. This is a really great option for videos that already have a script or a voiceover. Simply copy and paste your script into the box, then just click Set Timings, and you're done. This will take a few minutes as YouTube's voice recognition software automatically connects the written word to the spoken. Once they're ready, your new closed captions will be automatically published. You can then go in and edit them if the timing's a little off. This option is a great time saver. And finally, create new subtitles or CC. Okay, this option is a little more labour intensive, but it's a really good option for free-flowing formats like vlogs and so on. YouTube will give you automated timing blocks where it recognises that there is speech, but you can turn this option off if you don't like it. Type your content into each box, and if you need to change when it starts and ends, you can do so by dragging the borders. A great thing about this option is that if you don't have time to finish the whole video, you can save it as a draft and come back, finish and publish later. No matter which option you choose, please do remember to include not just the spoken word, but also audio sound cues such as anything to help your deaf or hard of hearing viewers, or just those who've got the sound off. If you only make videos as a hobby or you release them daily, captioning them all can seem like quite a task. You might also not be able to pay for a service to do them for you, and that is where YouTube's amazing feature, Community Captions, comes in handy. Community contributions allow one or more of your viewers to create not only a captions file, but also transcriptions into different languages for your video. These are then submitted to you to be checked, or your community can review them for you. That's actually the way I caption most of my videos. Before your community can submit closed caption files, or subtitles, or even translated titles and descriptions, you need to turn the option on, either for one video or for all of them. To turn community contributions on with just one click, go to your Creator Studio. Select Translations and Transcriptions in the sidebar. Click that settings wheel and then turn on for all videos. There's also the ability to turn them on for just specific videos. Go to your video manager. Next to edit, click the drop-down menu next to your video and select Info and Settings. Under the video, click Advanced Settings and then scroll down to where you can select Allow viewers to contribute translated titles, descriptions and subtitles CC. Click Save Changes and you're done! After the viewer has submitted their translation or transcriptions, YouTube will moderate it for spam or inappropriate content. You can manage it by reviewing, editing, publishing, flagging, or just rejecting it. You can also allow your community just to review the content for you, and it will automatically be published once enough people have said it's okay. Currently, people watch videos with automatic captions more than 15 million times a day, and the number of videos with them on YouTube is an astonishing 1 billion. Don't let your channel get left behind. Make sure those videos are captioned and you're reaching the widest audience possible. I hope these 2 videos have showed you just how important captions are. They're an invaluable tool for audience expansion, viewer engagement, content retention, improved video discovery and of course improved SEO. If you'd like to know more about captioning YouTube videos, I have a dedicated playlist on my channel. If you'd like to learn about other areas of making YouTube videos, then stay on the YouTube Creators channel to find out more.